Now being loaded, ready once again, racing just is started. We have Dance Fever, break, wait, let us start. Moving up on the outside, bring it on is Stormy Norman in the middle portion. Zemper Pidelis, how did you know? Jack Show King comes next, Gifted Champ. Then next online is Lord of the Sun, while by Filipino is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Bring It On by our link and a half. Stormy Norman is right behind in second. Dance Fever is racing in third. Jack Show King alongside fourth. Semper Fidelis is racing in fifth. Then comes How Did You Know? Then next online now is Gifted Champ. Lord of the Sun racing second last, while by Filipino is still racing in less. And at the far turn we have Stormy Norman now takes command. Bring it on, Jack Show King. Now moving up on the outside. Semper Fidelis. Dance Fever is down on the inside. How Did You Know? Gifted Champ, Lord of the Sun, and by Filipino is still racing in last. And they are now entering the home stretch. Dance Fever now takes command. Moving up on the outside is Semper Fidelis. In the middle portion is Gifted Champ. We have Semper Fidelis is on the outside. Dance Fever is down on the inside. Semper Fidelis, Dance Fever, Semper Fidelis, Dance Fever, and finally Semper Fidelis, Dance Fever, Gifted Champ. Then comes How Did You Know? Close, Jack Show King, and number 3, Lord of the Sun.
7-2-1. 6